Good afternoon, students. Welcome to class 10 biology class. Okay. Chapter 3 completed. Chapter 1, 2, 3 chapter completed. I also am giving homework. Please do in your copy. Okay. Please do in your copy. And new chapter I am going to start. This is chapter number 4. This is the absorption by roots. These are totally different chapters. Actually, this is including in plant physiology. Totally different. Earlier 3 chapters, this is the genetics and cell, nutrition, all these things. But this is a totally different chapters. Absorption by roots. What absorption by roots? Actually, it's a plant. Plant absorbed by root. The plant absorbed by roots. What absorbs is the water and minerals. Plant absorb water and minerals from the soil. Okay. At first, one question: why do plant need water and minerals? Okay. Why do? This is the live animals, all the things the plant also need water and animals. But why? One question. First, for water. Importance of water in plant. Importance of how the photosynthesis. Photosynthesis for making food, and the cellulose, cellulose and the glucose, glucose, and for the transpiration. For this is the actually for making the glucose, for the and the second one for transpiration. Transpiration means water needs for body to be cool, used for cooling the tree. Second one for transportation. Transportation means helps to upward conduction of upward conduction of minerals. The water helps to these things for the transportation. And last one is the for mechanical state. For mechanical state also water is needed. Okay. And the why mineral is needed? Many things mineral is needed. First is the for activate enzyme, for respirations, mineral is needed for making chlorophyll, for make, okay, and also the movement of substance through the cell membrane. Movement of the substance through the cell membrane, calcium, all these things mineral is needed. And part of nucleic acid, chlorophyll, protein, this is the nitrogen part for to make chlorophyll, magnesium, all these things needed for the plant body. So water and mineral is very much important. Then one question: how are roots adapted for absorption of water? How are roots adapted for absorption of water? Means first one, say root hair cell. Okay, root hair cell. Actually, in the root hair cell present. This root hair cell in the together provide the surface area. Actually, increase the surface area. That's why they can easily absorb the water and minerals. One point. Okay. This is the root content root hair. This is the root hair cell. This provide the enormous surface area. Increase the surface area. They can easily absorb the water and mineral. Number 3. This is the in the root hair. Actually, the root hair, the cell wall present. The cell membrane, cell wall. This is the cellulose, and this is the freely permeable to water. That's why they can easily also absorb. Okay. First one, the epidermis of root hair. Epidermis of root hair means layer. Epidermis of root hair. Okay. Epidermis of root hair. Epidermis of root hair. And the last things, this is very important. This is the root hair contain the cell sap. This is the last present, backward present, and this is the solution present. Again, this is called the cell sap. Root hair contains also cell sap, and this is the higher. The higher concentration, which is the higher concentration than the surrounding water, and this is facilitates the osmosis. This is the main things in the root hair cell present and the epidermis of root hair. Then they give him a book, how do absorption and conduction of water and minerals occur? How do absorption? Actually, not only absorption, conduction also occurs. Okay. At first, the absorption of water and minerals, root absorb the water and minerals. Then the water moves from the one cell to another cell, deeper cell. Then this is from the stem for different parts of the plant. The movements occur different parts of plant. This is actually process following the process 3. Many process follow the plant. Okay, this is the first one, absorption of water and minerals from the soil by the root hair and its movement through the thickness of the root, then upward conduction through stem to the leaves. The plant occurs through the following process. This process have to know properly. I am writing the process. Actually, this is the 5 process. 5 process I am writing here, and one by one I will discuss. Okay, please learn at your home. First process, diffusion. All total. I am not only talking about the absorption of water. Okay, all this absorption of water, then move to the deeper cell, root cell, then upward movement occurs. All these 3 processes. First one, diffusion. Diffusion. Okay, and number 2, osmosis. Osmosis. Number 3, imbibition. Imbibition. And number 4, active transport. Active transport. Active transport. Number 5, turgidity. Turgidity and flaccidity. Flaccidity. Okay. Diffusion, osmosis, imbibition, active transport, turgidity and flaccidity. Diffusion and osmosis process you know. Okay. And imbibition, active transport, turgidity, flaccidity is new to it's a new process, and I will discuss properly. All these things have to know. Why the osmosis occurs, why the diffusion occurs, why the active transport, why the turgidity, what is the flaccidity, have to know properly. All these things I will discuss later. Okay, thank you. Please learn at your home and please do homework in your copy.